Hi, I'm Nicky Giusto with Central Milling. We're going to be making Vollkorn Dinklebrot, which is German for whole grain spelt bread. This bread features our organic whole spelt flour. What's really unique about this bread is that 100% of the flour weight is fermented overnight, which makes this bread very flavorful and incredibly easy to digest. What I love about this bread is its keeping qualities. I can make it once a week and enjoy it all week long. The bread looks dense, but really it's light and fluffy and incredibly satisfying. All right, let's make some dough.